I'm just going to do a quick review on my Rally Briggs and Stratton lawnmower. I just cut my yard. That's part of it. Did a good job. It was a first time this year. I don't know if you can see that, but it says it's a 2005, and the way you can tell that, somewhere in the engine it says the model, type, and code. Under code you go by the first two numbers there. So this is a 2005. And I'll show you on this Briggs and Stratton. This is another one I have. Exhaust is loose and stuff, but so here's the code, and it says 06. Get in the light. Right there. It's an easy way to tell on just about every Briggs and Stratton. Yep, so it's a Rally 2005 20-inch cut. I got it from my neighbor, and it was having some carburetor problems, so I thought, oh, I got it for free, so, and I'm going to be using it till if it explodes when I'm using it. So I just went in, I got a whole new carburetor, gas tank, and an air cleaner for it. And I think they threw in a spark plug too, because it had a Champion before. Yeah, so now it's running good. 3.5 classic. And reliable starting, it's not lying. It starts right up. The wheels keep breaking off, but I just keep putting more washers there. It's an Electrolux. Show you guys start up. Yeah, if you use it and warm it up,